Have you ever thought about how to make audits better? Today, we'll explore continuous improvement in audit processes. This can greatly enhance our quality management systems. Continuous improvement means always getting better. It's about finding ways to enhance what we do. Let's dive into how we can identify opportunities for improvement. First, we need to review past audits. Analyze feedback from audit participants. This feedback helps us understand what needs fixing. Next, apply lessons learned from prior audits. Create a list of what worked and what didn't. Use this list to guide future audits. This way, we ensure we're not repeating mistakes. We also need to involve the team. Engage them in discussions about improvements. Their insights can highlight areas we may have missed. Implement small changes first. Start with 1 or 2 adjustments at a time. Monitor their impact on the audit process. This allows us to understand what works best. Another key step is to track our results. Use metrics to measure improvements. Are we seeing fewer issues during audits? Are audits more efficient? This data is vital. Remember, continuous improvement is an ongoing journey. It requires consistent effort and monitoring. Stay open to new ideas and approaches. Suppose a team notices delays in the audit schedule. They can discuss this issue, implement a new timeline, and monitor the results. Over time, they can refine their approach based on what works. To summarize, continuous improvement in audits is crucial. By reviewing past audits, applying lessons learned, and actively involving teams, we can make our processes better. Start evaluating your current audit processes today. Identify one area for improvement and begin implementing changes. Let's commit to the path of continuous improvement together. Stay connected with us. Thank you.